Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. And guys, a little over 7 weeks ago, I decided to fund a Moomoo account with $500 to prove to you it's not about how much money you have in your account. It all comes down to the strategies and the approach you have when it comes with swing trading and trading in the market. So in today's video, we're going to be doing an update on the $500 account challenge to see how much money I made this week or how much money I lost. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this. And if you guys want to learn how to find these stocks, my strategies, my approach, we have an amazing school where I teach people my mindset, how to find these plays, everything. If you want to take swing trading serious, check it out down below. And we have a back to school day sale, 50% off using code SCHOOL. Guys, check it out right now and we'll see you guys in there, and let's dive into this here. So as of right now, our total account is sitting at $754. This past week, we had a profit of $26, which is about 3%, baby. Let's go. So the reason why, guys, a lot of people get so mad at me is because I'm very, very realistic. A lot of people, when they start swing trading or trading, they think you fund an account with $500 and then at week 10, you're sitting at 10 grand. No, the reality of traders and most successful traders focus on base hits. What that means is those 1, 2, 3% returns compounded over the year. That's what makes up a trader. And a lot of people think that, oh, you know, I start trading today, I make $1 million tomorrow. No, this is a job, this is a career. And what I mean by that is it's not easy, right? You got to put in those hours, get that education. So guys, let's dive into the strategy breakdown. So this past week, we did take one trade. This trade here was on Microsoft. Now, you guys know I did buy Microsoft with our larger account right before the earnings, right? And you guys can see it did dip down a little bit, but then we bought more here near and around this $400 mark. And that's exactly where we bought more with the small account. We averaged down with the larger account, and then we bought in with full shares with the smaller account. So with my approach here, what do we need? So the first thing I always do, you guys know me, get my trading journal out. I'll put this down below. It's awesome, and you guys can get it right on Amazon. But the reason I bought this stock is because it follows my checklist. A checklist is a way where you can focus on quality stocks rather than quantity. In my opinion, anytime you go on the stock market, you know, on YouTube or TikTok or anything like that, everybody's going to be telling you to buy a different stock. So if you have a checklist, in order before you buy your stock, you make sure it follows it, you'll be in a great spot. So with my mindset here and my strategy, the first thing on this checklist is upward trend. Obviously, looking at Microsoft, great upward trend going from lows at 300, hitting highs at $667. The next thing, support here. Support, as you guys can see, there's a good support on this red line. The red line is what we call the 200-day moving average line. It acts as support. It also acts as resistance. When the stock falls below it here, all these moving average lines, really, it just acts as resistance, and we do get some sell-off below it. So in an ideal situation, with any stock you buy, you want to buy it when it's on these moving average lines. The next thing is the RSI. The RSI at the time of purchase was trading at a 22. The last time it was trading for a 22 was all the way back in mid 2015. So I'm buying this stock all the way like it's back in 2015. And obviously the revenues have increased. So, I knew we were going to get some good buying pressure. The next thing I look at is earnings. I never want to hold through an earnings report. And obviously, since the earnings just happened, I'm good. I'm in the clear. So now, how do you know when to buy? So for me, I go to the hourly chart and I actually entered on the breakout of the 90-day moving average line. You guys can see it did form this really nice trend line, like such, right, where it hits it each and every time it got buying pressure. So now entering here, I knew, okay, I can enter here, set my stops very, very tight, and the risk and reward is going to be absolutely insane. Let's go ahead and draw that out. So the ideal target price for this trade with Microsoft is for it to come back up to highs or old resistance. The stop loss here that I had at the time of purchase was just a little bit down below this trend line, and that was near and around a risk and reward of 5.3. So risking $1 to make over $5 a share, which is insane. So now this is what you do. You enter here and you just let this thing ride up. You guys will see we do have this nice trend line. If it does dip down below the trend and the moving average lines, then we'll just take our profit and move on to other opportunity. This is a very simple strategy that all traders can do, whether you're a beginner, whether you're a full-time trader. It's super simple. Finding stocks on moving average lines, supports, is super simple. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next week when we break down next week's $500 account challenge. If you guys want to stay up to date, hit that like button, subscribe, do what you guys do, and don't forget to check out our school where you guys can learn how to find these plays and trade stocks. We'll see you guys in there. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Take care.